Hello everyone, we are going to present our product SmartLearn. SmartLearn is LLM-powered assistant that transforms how you learn and study. It works as your personal tutor, available whenever you need help.
Also, Smart Learn helps with any subject and any topic. It creates personalized study plans and answer your questions and also tracks progress in real time.
Students can use SmartLearn for homework, help, and exam preparation. Teachers use it to provide additional support to their students. Professionals use it to learn new skills and stay up to date in their field.
The system also is very simple to use. You can upload your learning materials and ask questions about them and get immediate help. The LLM understands complex topics and explains them clearly to you.
SmartLearn adapts to different learning styles and remembers previous sessions. This manner, this means better, faster learning with personalized support at every step.
The platform also works with textbooks, lecture notes, documents, and training materials. It is also accessible on browsers, making learning possible anywhere, anytime.
SmartLearn saves time by providing instant answers and creating efficient study schedules. It helps users learn at their own pace and focus on areas that need more attention.
Smart Learn, more than just a study tool, it's a complete learning system that makes education more accessible, efficient, and effective for everyone. So let me show how it works.
Let us show our project demo. Firstly, the user will access their API keys and the system make a decision the key is valid or not. You can see the validation part and then ask the system ask that how can I help you today? And user can ask a question like prepare me exam questions and the system asks the user upload documents, then um, user uh, select something, then questions results showed by the systems. Then user can ask also uh, give me feedback about this result, and uh, he or she can see the results what he or she did. Uh, then also user can learn what upcoming events using this smart learn. You can see the upcoming events based on the uploaded syllabus.
Students want to upload something and ask a complex question about it, and student uploads it, and the systems will ask if you want to use RAG or not. And when the user says yes, it's basically tokenizes the most relevant parts and return with the most relevant information about the original question of the user. And when this part is done, maybe students wants to create a summary of it. And when the students wanted to create a summary of it, assistant will continue to help agent, and summary has been also created as a Word document separately for users to examine. And here is the document summary of based on the question about the user asks, which was what is text vectorization, and here is the answer and summary. And thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.